Today I'm going to talk about self-image and identity. It is important to protect your self-image online and keep your social media accounts private, because if you have it on private, then no one else can see what you are doing, but if you have it on public, then everyone can see what you post, and it can hurt you in future jobs because your social media could show a different identity of yourself than what you would like to portray to them. It is also important to not respond to inappropriate messages or inappropriate friend requests. And it is also important to know that you should report it to an adult because you should never have to feel attacked online or uncomfortable. It is also important to be aware of hackers. You need to make sure that you are aware and know if the message is real before you open it so that no one is able to hack onto your computer through the message and take your identity. It is also important to not post illegal activity online because even if you delete it, it is not gone and can be used against you by colleges or jobs. It is also important to look at the location settings on different apps because if you are public, then anyone can see where you are at the exact time you post, and this can be dangerous for you because they can be able to stalk you or follow you from that post. It is also important to log out of websites after you use them because if you don't log out of your account, then another person uses your computer after or uses the computer you were on after, they can then post information under your name and that can affect your self-image. Clearly, self-image and identity online are extremely important because if you're not careful, something you post online could have a major consequence, or even things posted online that you didn't post yourself can affect your identity online.